Welcome back, folks. We have another requested cocktail from my buddy Dave Klein. Dave is he was my freshman roommate in the University of Dubuque. He was a fraternity brother. He's a dear friend. He and his wife Stephanie are wonderful friends. They're great people. And when he sent in that last request, he also sent in this one. It's called a Gin Rickey. Did a little research. I've never had this cocktail before, Dave suggesting it. Dates back to the 1880s when this Democratic lobbyist created this drink because it was something he wanted. You're going to notice this is a very close similar recipe to the Texas ranch water that we did a bit ago, where we're subbing out the spirit. But this one dates long before the Texas ranch water. So 3 simple ingredients, no equipment at all in this one. This one's super quick. You've got fresh lime juice, you've got gin, and you have club soda. I like these little bottles of club soda because they don't have that much and you can reseal them. So if it goes flat, you're not wasting that much. You actually make this cocktail in the Collins or highball glass, and it's simple. 2 ounces of gin. And this would be one where you could play with the gins. You could pick one that's a little more floral. Pick me one that's, you know, whatever, London Dry, doesn't matter. 1/2 ounce of lime juice. Okay, we're almost done, folks. We are going to add an ice cube. These are those big long ones that I have pitched before. They work great. You're gonna fill it up with club soda. Up to the top. There you go, almost killed that bottle. And then your garnish is a lime wheel. Makes sense because you have lime in the drink. Your garnish needs to be something that's similar. And drop that in. I don't know, what is that, a minute? Maybe less? And you've got a Gin Rickey, courtesy of Dave Klein. Thank you, Brother Dave. Hey, if you've got other things you want to have us make, put a description down below of what you're looking for. Send us pictures, whatever, we'll be happy to make it. Other than that, cheers, folks. Stay safe. Enjoy. Okay, this one, I think we could add a little bit of sweetener to it. It's pretty tart. Maybe a little bit of simple syrup, something like that. But easy summer drinking cocktail, the Gin Rickey. Take care, folks.